Okay, this is also very nice today on the 21st of March 2025. We have Johan Bockin kuja. Johan Bockin was 10.
Yeah.
And staircase
See.
C. Is it also in Pukinmäki?
Yes.
Yeah, it's further away from the station. Books about the Helsinki sports was in Finland, built by Valmet Otis with Series 1 fixtures in 1990. Series V1 in the 0688. Let's try to run here. 4 floors. Best is 4 person trained with programs.
Institutet med eteenpäin pohissi.
Is that the second?
Yeah, of course. Oh. Okay. That's